If Ritik was good in study, so why could he not clear that exam? If you are curious to know about it, this story is very emotional. And if you are curious to know about it, so let me tell you. First of all, here I am going to tell you something about myself. So my name is Nurdin, and if I talk about my English journey, I have been learning English since last 1 year, and now I am be continue. I'm learning it nowadays. I'm improving my English. That's why I am creating a vlog. So let's start. Now there is a Ritik. If I talk about in past, because the story had completed, it happened. That's why now let's start it. There was a Ritik boy. His name was Ritik. And if I talk about other hand, there was a girl. Her name was Ritika, and Ritik was good in English, and Ritik was good in studying because he was studying properly before joining any coaching center. Then after that, he thought he should have joined a coaching center. Then he joined a coaching center. Then he met a Ritika girls. He met her. Then after that, both means girl and boy. They met together, and one day boy asked a question that was related to mathematics and other things you can think. And the boy asked that question, then girl could solve it properly. But boy was good in study, but girl was weak. Girl could clear some exam and some questions, but boys could clear every questions. But sometimes boy stuck in that question while is solving. Then boy had a question and he asked a question to Ritika. Then Ritika replied him. Then after that they would become a friend. Then after that boy joined a coaching center and other coaching center, but boy couldn't study there because he was thinking about her. That's why. And he left that coaching center and he joined again that coaching center where he met to Ritika. Then after that, Ritika met him again. Then after that, they took a number and they was sharing some points like they were studying well together. But after some days, they couldn't study. Why? Because boys' mindset would be different, and boys thought other thing. Boy was thinking about herself, why she said these things and why she sent a message to him. This type of question boy was thinking. That's why he could not clear that exam. Then after that, boy was thinking all of things. When result came, then the boy found a girl that was named Ritika, and he could clear that exam. Then after that, he thought why and what was the reason? What was the reason I couldn't clear that exam? Then boy's family member asked to him, "You was good in study, but you couldn't clear that exam. What was the reason?" But boy didn't tell them. Why? Because he knows everything. He knew everything. That's why. But boy's father said, "You may give it again." But boy's mind distracted to study. He could not clear study properly. And if I talk about other hand, there was a girl. He could clear that exam and he could join it. Then boy asked to her, "You were studying well, but I was not studying well. Why?" "Because I was thinking on you." And the girl asked, "I had other boy and I used to ask to him." Then girl left him, and after that boy was completely ruined, means barbad hona. Uh, he was going to take other coaching classes, but he could not study well there. Why? Because his mind was defected. Then after that, boys came to home and he asked to his parents this type of things, that what should I do, what should I have to do to work. Like he was asking to relate it to some labor work, like I may go somewhere like in farm, I may work there. But their family member, they denied to him. They said you was studying well. So what was happened with you? Why could you not clear that exam? They asked, but he did not tell them what was the truth. Then after that, the girl could clear, and girl was joining it. Girl have joined a coaching center, and girl had joined a school. He was studying there good properly, but boy was not. And girl had already left him. That's why boy was going to ruin. But in that time, boys found a other girl. Then other girl met him, but he was not asking. He was not talking to her. Then after, because why was he not talking to her? Because there was the reason, because he left a girl. That's why. And if I talk about his family member, they were thinking, they knew about it, that what was happened with our son, but they did not want to tell him because they were confused, and they had some question in their mind, but they couldn't ask to him, sorry. Why? Because they had fear. We If we would ask to him, he would do some such unnecessary things. He would not be any harm to himself. That kind of question they were thinking at that time. But boy was a strong person. He was a strong person. Then after that, he thought, I may start it again. He was going to ruin, but at that time he stopped himself. Then he went other a coaching center again. Then he joined there, and he studied properly. Then after that, when he was going to give that exam, and he would be clear that exam. And the other, that was girl who left him, she was asking to him again that I want to marry to you with you, and I was wrong there. I could not share some point to you, and I was wrong. Why? Because she left him and she had a other boy, but who was other boy? He could not clear any exam, and he was not successful person. That's why the girl left him after that. Then the girl asked to him these things, that I want to marry with you. But the boy who used to talk to her and who met uh, in a coaching center first time, her name was Ritika. Then he denied her, and after that, she would be weeping. Why? Because one day she thought that if I lost him, I would not be able to get other boy, like who would be very faithful, who whom I can believe. This type of question girl were thinking. Then after that, boy finally would be a successful person. He had a good college, and his life was going well. Then the story is going to finish now. So